For the fishbone leaf stitch, I'm using a full 6 strands of embroidery thread with a DMC size 22 chenille needle. I'm going to stitch with 12 strands by knotting both ends of my thread. Going to begin at the top of my leaf and bring my needle down through the fabric about 1/3 of the way through the middle of the leaf. I'm going to come back up through the fabric on the top left of the leaf and bring my needle back down on the opposite side. Going to repeat that by coming up on the opposite side and coming back down on the left side. And this is the process that you repeat until your entire shape is full. It creates a really beautiful woven texture at the end. You can do this stitch with any variation of threads and any kind of needle. I just like how it looks at the end when I use more thread, so that's why I'm stitching with 12 strands, but you can do whatever you feel comfortable with. When you're finished, you can knot off your thread on the back of your fabric, and there you go. Thanks for joining me.